Well, hi guys, John from the Customer Factory here again, and I've got as you saw from the subject line of this video, how to have an unlimited testing budget. Wouldn't it be great? I mean, everybody knows that marketing is all about getting your testing done. Like you go to test different headlines, different copy, different photos, different positioning, different. There's like 50 things about an ad you can test, and then there's 500 things about a landing page that you can test. And the idea is that if you test enough, you find the best thing that possibly works, right? The only problem with testing is it's expensive. You can spend thousands of dollars testing and testing and testing and testing every possible thing that might happen just to find the one thing that's the best thing to make work. So I've got kind of a nice cheat workaround for this, which basically gives you an unlimited testing budget, but there's two caveats, right? So the first thing is, the idea is this, the cheat is this. We run, in our company, we run hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of ads for our clients every month, right? And what we've just done is we've actually worked out an internal process. Efficiency is all about internal processes, right? So we've worked out an internal process which allows us to see the ads which have all worked best for every other client we have, every landing page, every combination of these things which has performed the best, and deploy those for any one of our clients, right? So we basically have, every client essentially now has a $200,000 testing budget because we're taking the entire network that we've got and we're using AI and we're learning from that, and we're putting it all together in a system that we can now pull from that library anything we want to pull that's, okay, what's the best performing ad for that type of thing right now for anybody in the country who's running it with us. We can pull that out and deploy that for a client pretty much on the same day, which is amazing. And if there's a better one next week, we can pull the better one out next week, right? There's constantly testing, constantly new innovation. So the innovative power of hundreds of people working on this thing, it turns out that there's certain winners and losers every week, and we know what the winners are, and we can deploy the winners using that ad library, right? So you've got to have that kind of testing facility to do that. Obviously, that's a benefit of being one of our clients, hint, hint, but it's okay. It's okay if you're not a client. You can still tap into this by asking other people what they're running or seeing what competitors are running. It's not as good, or by yourself keeping very good track of every dollar you spend and what happened and what worked. Just get a spreadsheet out and work out what version, what ad, what version, what landing page worked, that sort of thing. And you can actually over time develop quite a nice bit of intelligence about what's going on in your market. The second caveat, I said there was two caveats. The second caveat is that not every market's the same. Just because something works in Texas doesn't mean it's going to work in California or in Florida or in New York, right? It's just they can be different markets that respond different ways to different things. There's even slightly different vocabularies for different conditions and different situations in different areas depending on where you go. So it's not a foolproof thing, but I'll tell you, it's a heck of an improvement over just trying yourself to see what can work and trying every combination yourself to do that, okay? So anyway, this is just kind of another example of how AI is going to change all of our lives. It's basically just a way of improving things, not learning the same lesson twice. Maybe it's kind of looking at that, and it's something we've got deployed now for all of our clients and our services. So if you want a chance to have access to that kind of power, that kind of testing power, contact us. You know, ask for a service demonstration, ask for a discovery call to see how your marketing can improve. You know, let's see what we can do for you. Maybe it's a good fit, in which case I'll be happy to make you a lot of money in the upcoming year. Talk to you later. Bye.